Hey everyone, I'm really glad you're here today. This channel is for everyone who wants to improve their English step by step in a simple and enjoyable way. Here we use the method called Slow English. It's a well-known approach, speaking a little slower and clearer than usual so learners can follow along, understand more easily, and feel confident. It's not simplified English. It's natural English, just delivered at a speed that helps your brain absorb it. And in today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most powerful secrets to learning: why small, daily practice beats long, exhausting study sessions, and how you can use this idea to finally make real progress. And if you're just starting, you can turn on subtitles in your own language. That way, you can follow the text more comfortably and check the meaning when needed. But later, as your English grows, it's better to watch without them. So let's dive in. Part 1. Why daily rhythm matters. Let's break this down. Reason number 1. Your brain loves patterns. Our brains are like musicians. They love rhythm and repetition. Have you ever had a song stuck in your head? Even if you didn't try to memorize it, you can sing the words. Why? Because you heard it over and over. English works the same way. The more times you hear, "How's it going?" or "What do you mean?" the more your brain just knows it. You don't need to force it. It becomes natural. Reason number 2. Repetition builds fluency. At first, speaking a new language feels like driving on a bumpy road. You stop, you hesitate, you translate in your head. But daily practice is like smoothing that road. Each time you repeat a phrase, your brain and your mouth connect faster. The bumps become smaller, the road becomes smoother, and suddenly you're driving with speed. Reason number 3. Confidence grows quietly. Confidence is not a switch. It doesn't turn on instantly. It's more like muscles at the gym. You don't wake up strong. You lift small weights again and again. And one day you realize, wow, this feels lighter now. English confidence works the same way. Each day you practice, even a little, you prove to yourself that you can. And that quiet proof builds power. Part 2. What can you do in 10 to 15 minutes? Now let's talk about action. What can you realistically do in a short daily practice? Let me give you 5 simple but powerful ideas. 1. Listen. Find something short. A podcast, a short video, or a daily conversation. The goal is not to understand every word. The goal is to let your ears get comfortable with English sounds. Think about how babies learn. They don't understand everything, but they listen. And slowly, the brain adapts. Try this. Next time you're cooking or walking, play a short English podcast in the background. Don't pause. Don't stress. Just listen. 2. Mimic like an actor. This is one of my favorites. Pick one short sentence from a movie or video and repeat it exactly as the speaker says it. Intonation, speed, rhythm. It's like borrowing their voice until it feels natural. Over time, your pronunciation becomes sharper and your sentences sound more real. Example. Listen to "I'll be right back." Then pause. Say it exactly the same way. Repeat 3 times. You'll be surprised how much this trains your mouth. 3. Read bite-sized text. This can be a quote, a news headline, a short story. Don't stop every 2 seconds to look up words. Guess, feel, enjoy. Reading every day, even tiny pieces, shows you patterns. Pro tip: if you like sports, read sports news in English. If you love fashion, read about fashion. Interest makes it easier to stick with. 4. Write a micro-journal. You don't need to write an essay, just 3 to 5 sentences about your day or your plans. I had coffee with my friend. We laughed a lot. Tomorrow I'll go shopping. That's enough. Writing forces you to put thoughts into English, and over time, your grammar and vocabulary improve. 5. Narrate your world. Yes, talk to yourself. Out loud. It feels funny, but it's powerful. Say what you're doing. I'm opening the fridge. I'm checking my email. I'm waiting for the bus. This rewires your brain to think in English, not in translation. Part 3. What happens if you keep going? So what actually changes? After one day, you feel good. You've done something. Maybe you remember a phrase. That's a win. After 1 week, your brain feels more relaxed. English isn't so scary anymore. After 1 month, you start to notice real change. More words come naturally. You answer faster. You don't panic when you hear English. It's like climbing stairs. 1 step feels small. But after 30 steps, you realize you're at a whole new level. Part 4. How to make it stick. This is the tricky part. Because let's be honest, we all start with motivation, but then life gets busy. How do you stay consistent? Tip 1. Use a calendar or checklist. Mark every day you practice. Seeing a streak builds pride. You don't want to break it. Tip 2. Set a timer. 10 minutes feels less scary when you know it will end. Start small. Often, when the timer ends, you'll want to keep going. Tip 3. Tie it to something you already do. Practice while drinking your morning coffee, or before you sleep, or on the train. When it's part of a routine, it becomes automatic, like brushing your teeth. Tip 4. Make it fun. This is so important. Don't torture yourself with boring grammar books. If you love music, sing English songs. If you love cooking, read recipes. If you love travel, watch short travel videos. When you enjoy it, you stick with it. Part 5. The bigger picture. Here's something important. Consistency is not about being perfect. You will miss days. You will feel tired. That's normal. What matters is coming back. Think of it like building a house. Each day you place 1 brick, some days you place 2, some days none. But if you keep returning, brick by brick, one day you stand back and see a strong wall. And that's how your English will feel. Strong. Reliable. Yours. So let me leave you with this thought. English is not a sprint. It's not about one big moment. It's a journey. And every day you practice, even for 10 minutes, you're walking forward on that road. One day, maybe 6 months from now, maybe a year, you'll look back and realize how far you've come. You'll understand conversations you once missed. You'll express yourself with freedom you didn't think possible. And it all begins with the simple choice: practice a little today. So, my friend, don't wait for perfect conditions. Don't wait for the weekend or vacation. Start today. Start small and stay steady. Because little by little, step by step, you're not just learning English, you're transforming it into a part of your life. Keep going. You've got this. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even share it with a friend who's also learning English. The more people practice together, the easier it becomes. I'll see you in the next video.